it's a spider. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the different hairstyles that can be done with knotless braids. As you can see, I already have the first style in. This is pretty much my go-to style with whenever I get box braids or twists or whatever like that. This is my go-to style. I have my little satin scrunchie. Make sure you're using satin scrunchies, and so you can take as much as you want. So I just take just a little bit. I just tie it back I tie it back very loosely and I let it just kind of like sit. Yeah, this is style number 1. All right, so style number 2 is going to be my current go-to hairstylist. Because knotless braids are so flat and so neat, I can do like a low ponytail, and that's what I've been doing lately. And just literally wear it like that. Excuse my edges, I'm just leaving them alone because the other day I tried to tame them and I lost. So yeah, this is style number 2, low ponytail, pulled back. Going into style number 3, this is the traditional half up, half down style. Literally pull half of your hair up, the front half, you want to pull it up. This is the traditional half up, half down. Got your little ponytail going on up here. This is the third hairstyle, the traditional half up, half down. Girl, throw that hair up. Just do a little this and keep it pushing, okay? Next hairstyle, no scrunchie, but put the scrunchie on your wrist just in case, right? Your next hairstyle is going to be, you know, your straight down middle part hairstyle. You're just gonna have it to the back, just like this, straight back, just like that. Very simple, very cute. Tuck behind the ear if you need to. Just tuck it behind the ear sometimes, or I'll just go like this and tuck it behind the ear too. Another thing that I kind of do out of comfort, sometimes I will pull the braids to one side like this and kind of just like fluff them out.
What is she saying?
It's me saying fluff in the first place. Fluff them out. This, kind of how like people with wavy hair, like that's what they do sometimes to kind of even like you. Leave it alone, Kiara. Just leave it alone. Put it to this side, or you can put it to this side and have it like this. Now, like I said, always keep a scrunchie on hand, hair tie, whatever you use. Always keep it on deck, because say, you know, you need to throw your hair up real quick, right? You know, you can flip your hair forward and do like this and twist that thing up into a high bun, just like so. This is style number 5, high messy bun. Last but not least is going to be our low bun hairstyle. I love the last style, the low bun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you don't know where I got this from, go watch my part 1 of the Shein haul and you'll know.